Guys, good to have you back for another video. So to reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the surface indicator of a Jeep Wrangler 2022. This one is a hybrid model, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's just to reset my car. Have a look at our channel for more than 600 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start right away. First step is to press the ignition on to run without depressing the brake pedal. So like this, 2 on to run. Then we're gonna use the left side of the steering wheel to scroll once to the right, and then find the second menu. Hold down till you find vehicle info. Then we're going to scroll to the right to find this, and it says hold OK to reset oil life. Press and hold OK, and you'll see that it jumps back to 100%. Ignition back off, do the test, check it for yourself. And you'll see that the surface indicator is back to 100%. That was it for this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.